welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now today we are going to make this remedy right here. This is a remedy that is rich in antibacterial properties. It's great for acne prone skin. It's also good for clearing pigmentation. It helps to shrink large pores, and it also helps to brighten and lighten the skin while reducing wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. This is a simple remedy that I whip up in my kitchen, and I use it on my skin on a regular, especially when you're starting to see blackheads and whitehead on the skin, especially when your skin is looking a little dull. You want to use the remedy to give the skin that natural glow. If you have large open pores, this is going to do the trick. So I just apply the remedy all over my face like I'm showing here, and the honest truth is I'm actually using it for brightening my skin right now since I have a function later. And once I apply it on my skin, do not let it get in your eyes. What I do, I leave it on my skin for about 10 minutes or so, and then I rinse off. But I spend at least 3 minutes just exfoliating my skin with this. This helps to brighten, lighten, and refreshes my skin. And don't talk about the fragrance. It has such a pleasant fragrance to it. So if you're interested to see how I made this amazing remedy that's going to help to clear pigmentation, reduce large pores, and also help to brighten, lighten, and get rid of acne and pimples on the skin, blemishes on the skin, let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up right now. Today we're going to be using some green tea, and green tea is rich in antioxidants that will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, but it also have antibacterial properties which makes it great for acne prone skin. I'm going to take the green tea and I'm going to use 1 tea bag. If you do not have tea bag and you have loose leaf, go ahead and use 1 tablespoon and then blend it to a powder. So here in our bowl we have green tea, and take a look at my next ingredient. Here I have some baking soda. Baking soda will help to clear pigmentation on the skin, get rid of dull, rough looking skin, and also help the skin to look clearer and brighter when used on a regular. I'm using a teaspoon of the baking soda. I'm mixing it with the green tea. Totally dissolve the baking soda in the green tea. We are going to lighten, brighten, shrink large pores, and get the skin to look more healthier. Next, I'm going to reach for some olive oil, and olive oil is very hydrating on the skin. I'm going to use about a teaspoon of the olive oil, pour this in. Next, I'm going to reach for some aloe vera gel, and aloe vera gel also have antibacterial properties, help to lighten, brighten, and clear pigmentation on the skin. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the aloe vera gel, and now we're just going to mix this in. I am mixing green tea, baking soda, aloe vera gel, and olive oil. Mix and mix well. Mix to a creamy consistency. Now once this is done, I like to set this aside to infuse. So set it aside for about an hour. Once it is infused, then it is ready to use on the skin. You want to be generous with this on the skin, so you're going to go ahead and you're going to take a generous amount and you're going to apply this all over the skin. You are going to use this to exfoliate the skin, exfoliate your face, your neck, and your décolleté. Just keep exfoliating, and this is going to have an amazing fragrance from the green tea. Once you finish exfoliating the skin, like I just did, you're going to notice that the green tea is going to stick on the skin. So you're going to leave this on the skin for about 10 minutes. You do not want to go 30 minutes because we have the baking soda in this. So leave on the skin for about 10 minutes and then you rinse off, preferably with cold water. Let me do a quick rinse off for you. Take a look. Look how bright and radiant this is. But not only that, when you use the mixture on the skin, it will help to shrink large pores, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, hydrates the skin, good for acne prone skin, and just good to give you a younger, fresher appearance on the skin. No need to store this in the refrigerator. Leave it on your countertop and use it up within 7 days.